Factoring trinomials. I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to find the coefficient k of a trinomial which can be factored. Question here is, find three values for the coefficient k so that the trinomial 2x squared plus 3x plus k can be written as product of two binomials. So basically the question is, we need to write 2x squared plus 3x plus k as product of two binomials. That means x plus a times x plus b, product of two binomials. And for doing so, k should have different values. So we need to find what values of k can help us factor this trinomial. So that is the question. You can pause the video and then find the answer and then look into my suggestion. Well, the strategy here is to use, if you can factor this, that means a and b are numbers whose product, that means a times b, should be equals to 2 times k, right? So it should be equals to 2 times k, and sum of a and b should be equal to 3, correct? So that is the strategy which we are going to follow to find possible values of k. I hope you understand and appreciate it. So we will kind of calculate it in this fashion. We want sum as 3, right? So for sum of 3, this is the sum of 3. We already know that one of the numbers is 2. So let us use this number. So sum of 3 you can get as 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means k could be 1. Do you see that? K could be 1. So one possibility is 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. And in that case, these are the two magic numbers. So we could actually use this and factor our equation, correct? So, well, let us do this one, and then rest you do it on your own. So we can write this as 2x squared plus 2x plus x plus 1. And then you can combine these two terms taking 2x common, x plus 1 plus x plus 1, which can be factored as x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. So it could be factored, correct? So that is like one of the solutions. Now, to get 3, what we can also do is, using 2, we can say, well, it should be 5 minus 2 can also work, right? So 5 minus 2 can work. So that means k could be a negative number, right? So when you multiply 5 and minus 2, you get minus 10. So to get a product of minus 10, k should be negative 5. You get the idea. Since we have positive number here, right? So we could write k as negative 5, right? So if I write k as negative, I get a product which is negative 10. So if I multiply these two, correct, I actually get minus 10. Now I have 2 here. To get minus 10, k should be negative 5. That is what I'm trying to say, right? So we can try with that. So what we have, another option is 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. And this can be factored. I'm not doing this factoring for you. You do it and find out what the factors could be. But surely this gives us a combination. Product is minus 10, sum is 3. So we could use plus 5 minus 2 to get the answer, right? So likewise, we can get many values. So I've shown you how to get 2 values. Now to find the third value, what we will do is we'll again adopt the same method. So in this case, again, we are looking for, so instead of 2, you can use 4 also, right? So difference is 3. So you can say 7 minus 4 equals to 3, right? When you multiply 7 and 4, what do you get? Minus 28, correct. So 7 times 4 is minus 28. To get minus 28, what should be k? K should be minus 14, right? To get product of minus 28, k should be minus 14. Therefore, we can use k as minus 14. So we'll write another expression here, which is 2x squared plus 3x minus 14. So that also you can factor and check for yourself. The whole idea here is to find set of numbers which could have sum as 3. Right? So if you could get those set of numbers, one of them, since we have 2 here, their product should be even. That is kind of important. So if you use one of the numbers as 2, 4, then it is easier for you to factor. But likewise, we can get many different values of k. Now as an exercise, what you should do is, you should factor and check if these values really work for you. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.